Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Dream Cars. Today the Chevrolet Nova is a name that sparks nostalgia among muscle car enthusiasts. Once a powerhouse of the late 60s and 70s, rumors have surfaced about a possible return in 2026. But is this just speculation, or is Chevrolet really planning a Nova comeback? This article will explore the history, potential design, engine possibilities, and whether the Nova is set to reclaim its place among modern muscle cars. A brief history of the Chevrolet Nova. The Nova was introduced in 1962 as the Chevy 2, later adopting the Nova name in 1969. With its lightweight body and powerful V8 options, the Nova SS Super Sport became a street racing legend. The model was discontinued in 1988, but its legacy never faded as there a 2026 Chevrolet Nova. While Chevrolet has not officially announced a 2026 Nova, AI-generated images and fan concepts have surfaced online, fueling speculation. Many car enthusiasts hope for a modern muscle car with a retro-inspired design similar to what Dodge and Ford have done with the Challenger and Mustang. Potential design: if Chevrolet revives the Nova, it could feature retro styling, a mix of classic Nova elements with modern aerodynamics, LED lighting, sleek front and rear lights for a futuristic look, aggressive stance, wide body styling for a muscle car presence, engine and performance. May 2026 Nova would likely have multiple powertrain options, including 6.2L D8 supercharged 650 plus HP, borrowed from the Camaro 1's Alani electric performance variant, a potential competitor to the Dodge Charger Daytona EV hybrid option, a blend of V8 power with hybrid efficiency. Interior features digital instrument cluster, fully customizable display, touchscreen infotainment, likely a 12-inch plus screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium interior, leather Countera and modern stitching for a luxurious feel, advanced driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and self-driving capabilities. Will Chevrolet actually release a new Nova? As of now, Chevrolet has not confirmed a Nova revival. The company is focused on electric vehicles and performance models like the Corvette E-Ray and Camaro alternatives. However, if public demand grows, Chevrolet might surprise us with a concept or limited production model. Chevrolet Nova remains a dream for now, but the excitement around its return is undeniable. Whether it arrives as a gasoline-powered beast or an electric powerhouse, one thing is certain: the 2026 Chevy Nova revives a legendary nameplate with a fresh twist, blending vintage muscle car appeal with modern innovations. This exciting new model combines power, performance, and advanced technology to offer a driving experience that's both thrilling and practical. With its bold exterior design, cutting-edge tech features, and a range of engine options, the 2026 Chevy Nova is set to dominate the streets once again. Iconic muscle car design with modern aesthetics, powerful engine options providing robust performance and efficiency, advanced infotainment system for seamless connectivity, premium interior with advanced comfort and style, enhanced safety features including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, sport-tuned suspension for superior handling and performance, improved fuel efficiency for daily use and long trips. Whether you're seeking the raw power of a classic muscle car or the latest in automotive technology, the 2026 Chevy Nova brings the best of both worlds in a single, unforgettable package. The Nova name still has a special place in automotive history. Would you want to see the Nova return? Let us know in the comments below. Hey, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars. Thanks for watching.